show you in this video about how to erect steel structures on the building. Today we started to erect the first column for my project. You can see that's the first column we started to erect for my project. Everything is good, the curve bolt is good, and I received through first day Monday 4 tracks, and Tuesday 6 tracks, and Wednesday 1 track. And we started to shaking the steel structure around the building. You can see we put columns closer to the location. Everything is per steel shop drawing, and we put caution tape here, put caution tape around the plumbing pipe and the electrical conduit, so when we are erecting the steel structure we will not hit those pipes. If we hit it, we need to do saw cut and fix it and replace the fitting, damaged fitting. And here you can see before we start to erect, we clean the anchor bolt and the nut. You know, we clean it well, brush it, and we clean it. Everything is good. Okay, that's the first column. It's a big building, lot of steel structure. You can see everything is cleaned. You know, we use DW40, and we are cleaning the anchor bolt. You can see, make sure everything is done good. Everything is cleaned. You can see here, that's another one. Here we have columns, and it is important, you know, like put some grease when you install the anchor bolt. Put some grease at the anchor bolt and the net, so you can keep it out of rust. So you can see that's the concrete slab, and here you can see we put caution tape around all the plumbing pipes and electrical conduits. So when we will use the forklift to install and erect steel structure, we will not hit those pipes. Okay guys, so as I said, that is the first column. Everything is good. We'll make sure there's a plumb. Okay guys, you can see this will be about how to start. The important thing to shaking the steel structure, you know? Put it closer. You can see we have columns and beams here closer, and also we have C channels everywhere. You can see here it is closer to each bay we will install. So the shaking for steel structure is part of the erecting. So we spent yesterday and today half day morning, and now we started to erect the steel structure. Okay guys, if you like this video, please just like, subscribe. I will upload more videos about construction work. Thank you. Bye.